Chapter 6. And I saw when the Lamb opened one of the seals, and I heard, as it were the noise of thunder, one of the four beasts saying, Come and see. And I saw, and behold a white horse, it is a great power that comes from God. And he that sat on him had a bow, which is for the beginning of a battle. And a crown was given unto him, he was given authority. And he went forth conquering, and to conquer, he went winning to obtain victory. And when he had opened the second seal, I heard the second beast say, Come and see. And there went out another horse that was red, representing a great power with anger and war. And power was given to him that sat therein to take peace from the earth, and that they should kill one another. And there was given unto him a great sword, for a big kill among men. And when he had opened the third seal, I heard the third beast say, Come and see. And I beheld, and lo a black horse, representing negative activity. And he that sat on him had a pair of balances, representing supply and demand, activity and economic activity, in his hand. And I heard a voice in the midst of the four beasts say, A measure of wheat for a penny, and 3 measures of barley for a penny, representing changes in prices and difficulty in acquiring food. And see thou hurt not the oil and the wine. In some areas of supplies God does not allow supply and demand to be damaged. And when he had opened the fourth seal, I heard the voice of the fourth beast say, Come and see. And I looked, and behold a pale horse, a great authority and power, representing the firm and precise of God, what will surely happen. And his name that sat on him was Death, and hell followed with him. And power was given unto them over the fourth part of the earth, to kill with sword, and with hunger, and with death, and with the beasts of the earth. And when he had opened the fifth seal, I saw under the altar the souls of them that were slain for the word of God, and for the testimony which they held. These are those who have achieved victory over the beast. And they cried with a loud voice, saying, How long, O Lord, holy and true, dost thou not judge and avenge our blood on them that dwell on the earth? And white robes were given unto every one of them. And it was said unto them, that they should rest yet for a little season, until their fellow servants also and their brethren, that should be killed as they were, should be fulfilled. And I beheld when he had opened the sixth seal, and, lo, there was a great earthquake. And the sun became black as sackcloth of hair, the material mane used as thick horse hair from the tail or neck, and the moon became as blood, this is reddish in appearance. And the stars of heaven fell unto the earth, this can be a rain of rocks that with the friction of the atmosphere are lit in fire that are similar to falling stars, even as a fig tree casteth her untimely figs, when she is shaken of a mighty wind. And the heaven departed as a scroll when it is rolled together, this may be the effect of smoke moving in the atmosphere produced by rocks lit in fire. And every mountain and island were moved out of their places. Here the earthquake causes a big change on earth, moving the islands from their original place, and the mountains change their position. And the kings of the earth, and the great men, and the rich men, and the chief captains, and the mighty meh, and every bondman, and every free man, hid themselves in the dens and in the rocks of the mountains. And said to the mountains and rocks, Fall on us, and hide us from the face of him that sitteth on the throne, and from the wrath of the Lamb. For the great day of his wrath is come. Understand here that the big day of God's wrath is here. And who shall be able to stand?